All right, so we're riding. We're in a group ride. See how you can't see around the person in front? You gotta pay attention. This right here is what I keep saying when it comes to focus on what is important. Your horn, rev bombs will not save you from getting hit. It will not save you from getting hit. So we're gonna move forward right here and we're gonna try to protect our lane. We're gonna honk, we're gonna rev bomb. This person shouldn't be here. There's that rev bomb. He pulled in the clutch, did this, and then he honked the horn. Is that getting him in a position for safety? This guy is in a position for safety. This guy isn't. He's starting to swerve now, last second. Last second. And now we got hit. Did this guy get hit? Did he do anything? No. All he did was position himself for safety. He just moved over a little bit. This guy decided to honk rev bomb. Yeah, are you going to get his attention? Probably. Is he going to be able to do anything about it when there's cars on the other side and he can't get back into his lane? No. So he's going to pick that spot. The law of gross tonnage. The lug nut rule. You're going to lose. Put yourself in a better position. This is your escape path. Get yourself as far over as you possibly can so you don't get hit. All of it's a mistake and we're just going to fight because we didn't protect ourselves.